Welcome back to mksenglish.com's Everyday English Listening, the show where we sometimes dive into the strange and surprising side of grammar. I'm Mark, and today we're tackling one of the most famous and also one of the most unreliable spelling rules in the English language. I before E except after C, or when sounding like A, as in neighbor and way. Sounds neat, right? Let's break it down. So, the basic idea is that when you're spelling words with I and E together, you should put I before E. Well, unless it comes after C, like this: believe, Believe, or relieve, Relieve. Another example: achieve, Achieve. But then, if there's a C before the pair, you just flip it. For example, receive, Receive. Or here's another one: ceiling, Ceiling. So far, so good, right? But here's the twist: this strange rule falls apart all the time. So here are a few examples that completely ignore this rule. Weird, right? Weird. It should be Wierd, right? Nope. Then there's words like there, or foreign, or height, either, neither, or leisure. And then also there are these rebels: caffeine, Caffeine, protein, Protein, and science, Science. Science has both an I before E and comes after a C. So it follows the rule and also breaks it at the same time. Well, what do you think? Why is this rule still around? Originally, it was meant to help with pronunciation-based spelling. But English borrows words from so many different languages that consistent rules just don't work anymore. French, Latin, German, they all sneak in their own special spellings. Here's a fun fact: studies show that fewer than 50% of IE words actually follow the rule. Rebels. So, what do you think? Should we still use the I before E except after C rule? Honestly? Well, in my opinion, I think you should only use it as a rough guide. Trust your eyes and also a good spell checker more than this special rhyme. And remember, the word weird literally breaks the rule. And maybe that's the most perfect example of all. Thanks for listening. If you like this episode, subscribe, share, and stay tuned. Next time, we might even get weirder. Until then, stay curious and keep questioning the rules. Bye.